Welcome to my full review of Norwex. In this video, I'll walk you through my personal experience using Norwex products and interacting with their network marketing system. Norwex promotes eco-friendly and chemical-free cleaning solutions, which is an appealing pitch for anyone trying to reduce toxins in their home. I started with some of their microfiber cloths, which claim to clean with only water, and while they are durable and well-made, I found some limitations. They don't always perform as advertised on tougher stains or oily surfaces. The window cloth worked well, but not drastically better than cheaper alternatives I've used. What stands out with Norwex is the price point. It's significantly higher than comparable products on the market. You're clearly paying for branding and the idea of a cleaner lifestyle. That's fine for some people, but it can feel overpriced if you're just looking for practical cleaning tools. The product line extends into laundry, kitchen, and personal care, all emphasizing no harmful chemicals, which is great in theory, but again, the effectiveness varies depending on the product. The business model is where Norwex becomes more controversial. It's a multi-level marketing setup, and while it's not technically a scam, it shares common MLM pitfalls. Consultants are encouraged to recruit others, and most income seems to stem from building a downline, not actual product sales. It's marketed as a flexible way to make money from home. But the truth is, unless you're great at sales and willing to hustle hard, your income will likely be minimal. Many useful links you can find in the description. There's a heavy emphasis on positivity and community within Norwex, which can be motivating but also somewhat cult-like. If you question the business or products, you're often met with defensiveness from longtime consultants. Transparency is not always clear either. Finding unbiased information about actual consultant earnings is difficult, and the startup costs and product kits are not cheap. The training materials are polished, and Norwex does provide good support for new consultants, but it's very sales-driven. If you're just looking to use the products, you don't need to get involved in the business side, but it's constantly marketed to customers anyway, which can be off-putting. Overall, my experience with Norwex is mixed. The products look great and some work very well, especially if you're trying to go green. But the prices are high, and the business opportunity is not as easy or profitable as it's made to seem. If you value eco-friendly products and don't mind paying a premium, Norwex might be worth exploring. Just go in with realistic expectations and do your research. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest breakdowns like this one.